Okay, so we have seen last time up to question number 6. Okay, now we have probability part 3. We will complete inshallah today this lesson. So now we have question number 7. I will do it fast because we don't have much time now. So I'll do it directly. This question, you can see it. Just you can see the question. Opinions are given like and dislike. Number of students, those who have their opinion like 135, and those who have opinion dislike, those who does not like it, is 65. Okay, so it's very simple type of question. Here we have given everything. We have to just find the probability. Like dislike, total is 200. You add 135 plus 65, 5 plus 5 0 1 6 7 8 9 0 1 200. Okay, so 200 total students are given 200. Find the probability that how many, find the probability that a student chosen at random like statistics. So number probability, I'll write in short like statistics, means like you can write in detail. How many like 135 like out of 200. 135 upon 200, you can cancel by 5. 5 4 is 20, 0. 5 to the 10, 5 7 is 35. 27 upon 40. And how many dislikes? Probability of dislikes is equal to number of favorable cases. Dislikes are 65 upon 200 and cancel by 5 again. 5 4 the 20, 0. 5 1 the 5. 5 3 the 15. 13 by 40. Okay, got it. Next question is referred to again. Question number 2 of exercise 14.2. What is the empirical probability that an engineer lives less than 7 kilometers from her place of work more than? So this question is also based on the data given in this question number 14.2. Exercise 14.2. Exercise 14.2. Question number 2. Question number 8 is based on this exercise 14.2, question number 2. Okay, so 14.2 exercise 14.2. 14.2, question number 2. This is question number 2. But we made the frequency table of this question, correct? So after making this frequency table, then only we can give the answers. Okay, I will take this question. Now see, more than 7 kilometers from her place. So, place of work. This question we have done already. So, from there we can take the table. Yes, we have to go into one. uh, Okay. Now you can see the question is based on the solution of question number 2 of 14.2, that is here. You can see now. Huh? So here what is given, that number of engineers living from 0 to 5 kilometers from their workplace are 5. 5 to 10 are 11. Like this we have given the data for 40 total number of engineers. Less than 7 kilometer, find the probability of less than. We can also write like this. Probability, we have to find the probability of less than 7 kilometers from workplace. We can write probability of, inside we can write the event than less than 7 kilometers. 7 less than 7 kilometers from our place of work. So less than 7 kilometers. How many are less than 7 kilometers? Yes. Here 5 to 10 is given 10 to 15. Less than 7 kilometers. Yeah, 14.2, question number 2. Check we have taken correct. 14.2 question number 2. Less than 7, here it is given 0 to 5, 5 to 10. But yes, less than 7 we cannot find from this table less than 7. Okay. So let's see. Okay, this data is based from 0 to 5 and 5 to 10. So we have to start from this data only. Okay. So we cannot take this one. We have to take another data for doing this question. Okay. We cannot take this data, correct? Because this is given from 5, 0 to 5. So that means we have to take from the given question only. So the question, again we have to copy the question. Question number 14 point, question number 2, 14.2 exercise. 14.2. Yes. Yeah. 14.4. 14. 0.3, 14.2. Yes, we need the data because we in this question here we have to take 0 to 5, 5 to 10 interval, but they have asked 0 to 5. So that is why we cannot take directly from that table. Okay, understood the point? The reason understood why we cannot take from that data, because that data was divided into 0 to 5, 5 to 10. Now less than 7 kilometers. So from this we have to take less than 7 kilometers, 5, 1, 3 kilometers, less than 7, not 7. Hmm. Less than 7, 2, not 7, 8, 3, less than 7, 5, less than 7, less than 7, then 14, 2, less than 7, 6, less than 7, 6, less than 7. So how many are less than 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 less than 7 out of 40. There are total 40. You add this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 for the 40. So total is 40. So total number of favorable cases are 40. So 9 to 9 upon 40. That is the answer, first one. Second, find out more than or equal to 7 kilometers. Yes, probability of more than or means more than equal to 7 kilometers means 7 kilometers and more than 7 kilometers. Hmm. 7 and more than 7 means 7 is included. I mean to say 7 is included here. Okay, so 7 is included here. So we will take 7 and more than 7. So 10. Okay, that will be actually total 49 is less than 7. 7 and more than 7 will be obviously total is 40. So 40 minus 9. So 31. We can do directly also 31. 31 upon 40 because we have taken the less than 7 kilometers means the left out are 7 and more than 7 kilometers. So that's why we can directly find out 40 minus 9, 31 will be 7 or more than 7. Otherwise, you have to count all this. Leave that previous one. 7 will be included. Then this will be a total 31 cases. Okay. Then how many are living within half kilometer from our place of work? Half kilometer is not given. No one is living. The least kilometer that is 2 kilometers. So the least kilometer is 2. So half kilometer no one is living. So that is 0. So we can write the probability that living within half kilometer. Within half kilometer from her place of work. No one. So that is 0. So 0 upon 40 is equal to 0. Okay, got it. So as it has only two outcomes, so because the sum of probabilities is 1, because it has only two outcomes exactly. So that is the reason of this one. So we can say that probability of A plus probability of B is equal to 1. So probability of B will be equal to 1 minus probability of A. So if an event has an event experiment. Actually, they should say experiment has only three events. It should be an experiment. It is written wrong in this is refresher. So it should be an experiment. And if an experiment is divided into means their sum will be equal to the one. So it is divided into three events. Experiment is divided into exactly three events. Suppose A, B, and C, then their sum will be equal to one. So whatever events are there, 3, 2, 4, their sum is always equal to one. That is the reason. That is the answer of this. Why? Because sum of the probabilities is always equal to sum of probabilities of all possible events of an experiment is always always equal to 1. This is the reason of why, and this is the calculation. Therefore, probability of B will be equal to 1 minus 0.72. So you get 0.28. Okay. So like this, you have many type of questions there. You can have to find the probability of doing something, not doing something. Okay. Probability of happening an event, not happening an event. Also, you have seen probability of A and probability of not happening an event is also equal to 1. If somewhere there was not find the probability of not happening an event, we'll find if it is easy to find probability of happening, 1 minus not happening, we can find not happening of that event. So okay, inshallah, I will send you the questions. You can do that questions for practice, and then next time we will start new lessons. So on WhatsApp, I'm sending some extra questions.